tingnan na ako ngayon, no?
Hindi na pala pagka dito.
Oh, nakuha ngayon ng Team White. Candelaria. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Sarenas, guarded by De La Cruz. Pull up jumper. Short rebound comes by Lopez. Pass to Saltero. To De La Cruz. To Lopez. Lopez drives na without the ball. 12 seconds to shoot. Ganda the ball again. 12 seconds to shoot. Bustos to De La Cruz. De La Cruz pass to Lopez. Lopez back to De La Cruz. De La Cruz pass inside, but just 2 points. Sarenas. 15 seconds to shoot. Saksikan pass to Kaymoy. Hindi mo masang nila ng Kaymoy once again. Kaymoy pass to Sobrevilla. 10 seconds to shoot. Sobrevilla put up jumper. 2 points. De La Cruz. De La Cruz pass to Bustos. Bustos. Oi, step out of bounds. Sarenas. 15 seconds to shoot. Here comes Sigat. Sigat pass into the middle. Kaymoy back to Sarenas. To Kaymoy. 10 seconds to shoot. Kaymoy pass. Nakakuha ngayon. Kaymoy Barrera. 4 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Nice defense. Here comes Sigat. Oh, shot violation. Nice defense. Para sa team lang. Saldera all alone. Hindi mo sa matira rebound na ako ngayon ni Sobrevilla. Sobrevilla to Sigat. Sigat pass to Kaymoy. 15 seconds to shoot. Hindi mo sa matira rebound na ako ni De La Cruz. Here comes the team back. De La Cruz to Bustos. Intercepted by Kaymoy. To Sigat. Sigat pass to Sobrevilla to Sarenas. Oh, there's a reset. Foul jersey number 186, but just first personal foul, first team foul. Steve Bryan.
Andyan si batas ni Matias.
Sa panguna. Second row. Okay, pumasok. Kaibigan mo. Bustos. Pass to Saltero. Back to Bustos. Pass inside. 2 points. Lopez. Here comes Sigat. Sigat fires. 2 points. Sigat.
Diretso ah.
Coast to coast. Bustos. 15 seconds to shoot. To De La Cruz. To wind up in man. Lopez for 3. No good. The rebound by the Jazz. Up. There's a reset. Foul. Jersey number 290. Hit foul. First personal foul. First team foul. Uy, nagawa na pa rin ng TY. Here comes Sarenas. Intercepted by Saltero. Saltero. Pass to De La Cruz for 3. De La Cruz inbound the ball. Pass to Santero, fake. Santero, pass to Bustos. Foul! Basket counted.
Galing naman noon.
Basket count. Foul jersey number 193. Second personal foul. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Sarenas for three. Number 3 rebound by Bustos. Oy, Sarenas hindi na masang buka. Tayo pa na naman. Foul jersey now 193. Third personal foul, penalty situation. Okay, pumasok. Sombrevilla for three. Short rebound. And bounce. De La Cruz. Pass to Bustos for three. And bounce. Here comes Sombrevilla. Pass to Candelaria. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Avon. 10 seconds to shoot. Candelaria. Pass to Sarenas. Back to Candelaria. What a play. Fires up. There's so easy. Here comes Lopez. 15 seconds to shoot. De La Cruz. Pass to Manchas. 10 seconds to shoot. To Lopez. Lopez fires. No good. The rebound. Put back by De La Cruz. 2 points. Chase by.
Yung libing yan. GG. Sir Charlie.
Gloria. 15 seconds to shoot. Passing. Tackles lahat. There's so easy. Foul jersey number 106. First personal foul, second foul.
Ito yung idol ko yun. Sa ikaw, katawa ko. Bigyan mo sa akin kailangan, no? Tatanungin ko sa may pilmet. Madami rin yung kaluan. Madami nilang yung silang ganyan sa may pilmet.
Yung buo nga, paano ko magagamit yun?
Napasama, no?
Gagamitin ko dito, pang picture. Naghahanap yung ano eh. Naghahanap po
15 seconds to shoot. Kimi, pass to Pagirigan. Pagirigan drives. 2 points. Pagirigan.
yung mga pinagpalitan.
Hanapin ko.
Last 4 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Gloria pass inside. Hindi masuk tinaribang na mo ngayon ang Team Black. To Guzman. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Reyes. To Rabanillo. 5 seconds to shoot.
Yung mga 30 ang mga ano.
Rabanillo drives. Hindi masuk tinaribang. Bernardo.
Angeles.
Tugatong.
Isoy.
Rabanillo, there's a reason. Was fouled, foul jersey number 6, pushing foul. Second personal foul, Kimi, third team foul. Uy, makin, pass to Bilaga, 2 points, Bilaga.
Sabi mo kay
15
Sir.
seconds to shoot, Kimi.
Kay Sir. Kay bossing mo. Oo.
10 seconds to shoot.
Dito rin naman gagamitin eh.
Pass to Pagiriga, pull-up jumper, short rebound grabs by Reyes. Pass to Gloria. Here comes the one. Gloria drives up.
Sayang
Single. 15 seconds to shoot. Shout out sa'yo, Johnson. De Guzman.
Patay. Kaunti doon, Sope.
Passing out, foul, jersey number 4, pushing foul, on the shot. First personal foul, Gatong, warning for penalty, Team Brian.
Malakas pala yung black.
2 points, Pagiriga. To the spot. Pass to Reyes, to Gloria. Gloria nakapalan sa likod ng mga De Guzman for 3. De Guzman, 3 points. Gatong pull-up jumper, 2 points. Gloria. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Uy, nawala ngayon sa Pagirigan. Last 2 minutes.
Galing kang Bicol.
Pagirigan, pass to the top. Intercepted by Rabanillo. Pass to Guzman.
Sagot.
De Guzman, pass
Layo.
to De Guzman. 2 points.
Hindi mo pinasa sa akin eh.
What? Mr. De Guzman.
Pinasa mo sana sa akin.
Gatong.
Office ba sa akin, di ba?
Gatong fires. Iwasang tira rebound by Joaquin. Pass to De Guzman. 2v1 situation. De Guzman. Okay. Not today. Not today.
Eh ano, di upang maneho lang ako. Sa'yo yung upa lahat. Nakapahinga ka.
Guzman and Bobby Mo. Pass to Rabanillo. 15 seconds shoot. To Gloria. Tatanggal na ako ngayon. Team Black.
Subcon lang, subcon. Di ba pwede subcon doon?
Gatong drives. No good. Rebound by Rabanillo. Okay. Save.
Ilang araw ka doon?
8 days.
Sarap sana.
Kimi, pass to sayang.
Napag-vlog sana na mahilab-hilab doon.
Plus 1 minute and 10 seconds. Rabanillo, pass to De Guzman for 3.
Meron naman.
Wala rin ba na ako ngayon ang tinda. Here comes the long. Plus 1 minute.
Against the light. Pero
Gatong fires 2 points. Plus 50 seconds. Reyes fires. It wasn't there. Reyes once again. Pass to intercepted by Gatong. To Pagirigan fires. Too strong rebound by Gloria. Pass to Guzman. De Guzman up. Traveling violation. Save one Lahi. MLS Philippines masuk dari lawan yang dipagirikan Pirates 2 points. Here comes the Guzman. Oi, kapal kasar. Last 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Ramalino Pirates was long rebound by Aviles. Last 5 seconds. Pass to Pagirigan, all alone. Pagirigan. First quarter.
27.
Shots ball. De La Cruz. Pass to Tino, intercepted by Ramalino. Ramalino drives away. Pass to Jersey number 15. Back to Ramalino. Oh, there's some ease there. Foul jersey number 25. First personal foul, first team foul. Subdivision. Pass to Ortiz. Ortiz fires. Number 3 grabs by De La Cruz. Tino. Pass to Bustos. Bustos making his move. Pull up jumper. Too strong rebound grabs by Sobrevilla. Sobrevilla pass to pull up jumper. Short rebound by Sobrevilla. Intercepted by Blackball. Bustos. Pass to De La Cruz. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass inside. Up. Step out of bounds. Nangawak ang bola. Kaya naman PRB. Seconds to shoot. Ramalino. Pass to Raymond. Pass to Ortiz. Ramalino for 3. Dimasuk dari lawan De La Cruz. De La Cruz pass to Tino Pires. Dimasuk dari lawan Ortiz. Pass to Raymond. Pass break to Sobrevilla. Pass to Martiniano. 2 points. De La Cruz, 15 seconds to shoot. De La Cruz for 3. No good rebound by Suego. Pass to Tino. Tino, pass inside. Foul! Basket counted. Who's foul, rep? Foul jersey number 211. Second personal foul. First team foul. Dimasuk bonus shot, rebound Ortiz. 15 seconds to shoot. Ortiz nawalan 2 points. Ortiz. Here comes De La Cruz. Pass to Quintana. Quintana to San Diego. Sebo. 14 seconds to shoot. Tino. 10 seconds to shoot. De La Cruz back to Tino. Tino drives. Tino pass inside. 5 seconds to shoot. Three seconds. 4 3. Ketinggian ini masuk dari mana? 15 seconds to shoot. 4 3. Masuk dari Sobrevilla. Rebound by Tino. Tino pass. Sebo. Pass to De La Cruz for 3. Way off rebound by Sobrevilla. Sobrevilla Mablis. 3v1 situation. Sobrevilla naman. Ang tawag sila. Who's foul, right? Foul jersey number 83. Illegal use of hands. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Sobrevilla. Second throw. Masuk ulit. Here comes Tino. Tino, what a mark! 2 points. Tino. Seconds to shoot. Materiano pula 2 points. Materiano. Here comes Bustos. Bustos drives in. Wasang kinarima na ako ni Gayon. Pass to Materiano. Pass to Sobrevilla. Foul. Foul jersey number 71. Hit foul. First personal foul, De La Cruz. 13 foul comes from Team Brian. Ortiz pull up jumper, 2 points. Ortiz. De La Cruz pass to Quintana to Tino. Tino drives, 2 points. Tino. Ortiz. Oh, nada. Sebo. Materiano, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Imoy. Imoy Byers. He was a rebound by Bustos. Pass to Tino. 2v1 situation. Tino Byers. Basket count, foul, jersey number 211, third personal foul, Sobrevilla, second team foul. Di masuk. Nakapingin kasi sila ako na eh. Sobrevilla for 3. Wala pa rin mo. Bakay hindi ba sa dinarima ng ngayon. Ortiz guys. Nangulima by Sobrevilla. 2 points. De La Cruz. Makin by 2. De La Cruz. Oy, terangin. Double rebound. Change 5. Passing to the middle, take a smile up. There's Weezer. Who's fouled it? Foul jersey number 61, pushing foul. First personal foul, Sandero, warning to penalty.
Pasensya na po, medyo against the line. Yung aking stage hindi na iayos eh. Mahirap pagka umaga eh.
Score of the night, 28-30. 2-point lead for represent Team White. Here comes Saldero. Saldero pass to Pagarigan, 15 seconds to shoot. Saldero to Pagarigan for 3. Too strong rebound, grabs by Joaquin, pass, break to De Guzman. De Guzman, pass inside. Joaquin back, nawakan ang rebound. Loose ball. Gadon. 15 seconds to shoot. To Lopez. Pass to Pagarigan for 3. Bang! Pagarigan 3. Change favor. Tatel pass to Guzman. De Guzman floater. Too short rebound rush by Saldero. Here comes the team back. Saldero making his move. Saldero. Grabe nga yun, sir. Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds to play. 15 seconds to shoot. Tatel, pass to De Guzman, long 2 points, De Guzman. Last 3 minutes and 35. Gadon, 15 seconds to shoot. Gadon intercepted. Pass to Machas, pull up jumper. Too strong rebound by Rez. Intercepted by backcourt violation. Time out! Every game. Gabi-gabi.
Ako na doon.
10 seconds to shoot. Sigat pass to Loy. Nasigan nakuha ngayon ni Tatel. Last 4 seconds. Then De Guzman 3 points. Change favor. Last 3 minutes to play. Saldero. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Lopez for 3. Way out rebound grabs by Tatel. Here comes the team White. 3-2 situation. Tatel pass to Sigat. Pull up cover. To strong rebound. Pull back by De Guzman. 2 points.
Kakakas.
Saldero. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Machas up. There's the lead set. Who's called up? Sino po? 2 minutes and 15 seconds to shoot. Okay, up. There's the lead set. Foul jersey number 17, Lopez. Illegal use of hands. First personal foul, penalty situation. Pumasok ang una. Second row, Mr. Joaquin. Pumasok. Last 2 minutes. The dog to Pagarigan for 3. Pagarigan 3 points. De Guzman for 3. And De Guzman 3. Here comes Pagarigan. Second timeout. Team Brian.
Full of lights.
Hoy, kita nahin dua sendiri kan? Second.
Ayan.
Lopez for three. Wala rin mga matchas mo ba? Wala pa rin iba na ako ngayon na Katong. Oh, ang tawag sa rep. Who's foul rep? Foul jersey number 232. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 shots for Gadong. Wala. Down. 14 seconds to shoot. Lopez fires 2 points. Lopez. De Guzman 2 points. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Pull-up jumper. Hindi mo sa mga De Guzman, no? Foul jersey number 17. Second personal foul penalty. Wala pumasok ulit mo mga Jacks. Ito, last 10 seconds. Tupagriga, Gatong. Gatong fires 2 points. Open 55. Awesome Coffee. FPC Windows Blind. Electronic digital scoreboard. Detection. 1-0 ball game.
43 all.
Tama yan kasi dapat kayo.
Tatelo wide open for 3. Good rebound by Alex. Castillo. Oh, passing foul. Foul jersey number 213. Tino.
Baltog nga.
Wala bumaltog. Wala bumaltog.
Ready. 15 seconds to shoot. Rabanillo fires. Mula pa rin nawa ngayon. Tornado to Angeles. Pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz fires with points. Change the ball. Patel. 15 seconds to shoot. Patel passing to the middle. Rabanillo pass to. Pull up jumper. He dimasok din ang rebound by Angeles. Pass to Tio. To Angeles. 15 seconds to shoot. To Tio. Tio pull up jumper. Nagot rebound ngayon ni Angeles. Pass to Pangilinan. Pull up to Wally. Ini na rebound Angeles. Back to Pangilinan. Pull up jumper. Wala pa ang rebound. Barado ang ring para sa team black.
Schedule ng mga laro. Wala pa.
Tino pass to Bernardo Natagano. 4 seconds to shoot. Pangilinan for 3. Without rebound by who's fouled? Foul jersey number 47. Illegal use of hands, 2 shots. Ay! Sabay, nakapinit kasi yan, nakapinit. Partida. Second row. Oh, talaga? Pinagbibigyan mo talaga? Ano kasi siya? Victoria! Victoria fires! Dumasok din ako. Black ball. Here comes Sobrevilla. Nasa dito kay Kaimoy. Paras ni Patel. Patel to Sobrevilla. Sobrevilla na wala. Foul! Foul jersey number 17. Heat foul. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for Sobrevilla. Sayang una. Second throw. Wala pa rin. Rebound na Wally De La Cruz. De La Cruz.
Soy!
Oy! Moving back to the boys. De La Cruz. Sobrevilla pull up jumper. 2 points. Bernardo natapkan ngayon na naman. Ito na naman. Sobrevilla na naman. Foul jersey number 71. Pushing foul. Team Brian.
Bawal din.
Serenas. Pass to Sobrevilla for 3. Sobrevilla 3. Change flavor. Laman na ulit ang Team Brian.
Dikit na dikit ah.
Hey.
7:48. lang. Dikit-dikit lang.
15 seconds to shoot. Sobrevilla. Sobrevilla. Pull-up jumper. Short rebound by Rodrigo. Nabitawan. Kuya Dan. Substitution. Angin is up. Jesse. Seconds to shoot. Here comes Tino Byers. Dumasok nila rin ang Dennis. Pag-rin, nice defense para sa team na. Tino fakes. Foul. Tawag sa rin. Foul jersey number 207. Rabanillo. First personal foul. Second team foul. Intercepted by Sandero to the Cruz. Dito na si Tino. Tino, pull-up jumper. 2 points. Tino. Rodrigo, 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Guzman. 10 seconds to shoot. De Guzman, pass inside. Oy, nakamanawa ngayon. Pass break to Sandero. Left. Hindi masang rebound by Sobrevilla. Sobrevilla making his move. Sobrevilla to Guzman. Step back 3. Naman rebound by Reyes. Tapos takay. Batas ang naman. 5-3. Seconds to shoot. Machasi dimasuk dari mana Sarenas. Oh, there's no reason. Foul jersey number 6, Bustos. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Substitution. Tino out, pagiring na ni. Last 5 minutes. 15 seconds to shoot. De Guzman. De Guzman up. There's no reason. Foul jersey number 71. Hit foul. Penalty situation. Second personal foul. Hindi pumasok rebound kay Machas. Pass to Sandero. Sandero to Machasi. Pumasok nila rebound Machas once again. 2 points. Machas. That's 4 minutes and 35. Rabanillo 2 points. Bustos. Bustos making his move. 2 points. Bustos. Guzman. Pass to Sarenas. To Reyes. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass inside to Rabanillo. Wala rebound Rabanillo once again. Up. Tawad Rabanillo pa rin. Rabanillo up. Traveling violation. Substitution. Sarenas out. Saudi. Pakitain ko ang mga jersey natin. Takin.
12 na.
For 3. Foul jersey number 207 pushing foul. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Substitution. Saldera Gadoki. 10 seconds to shoot. 4-3. Dua sa tira riba nawa ngayon di Pagirigan. 5 seconds. Here's the reset. Foul jersey number 59. Sabit pushing foul. Warning for penalty. Gadok kembali the ball. Pass to Matias. Matias fires 2 points. Matias. Boy, they was man alone. 2 points. Smooth. Gadok. 15 seconds to shoot. Boost on 4-3. Boost from rebound by Sawi. Sawi pass to Guzman. Guzman. Di masuk tira rebound nawa di Pagirigan. Last 3 minutes. De La Cruz wide open for 3. Di masuk tira rebound by Sawit. Pass to Guzman. 2-2 situation. To stop Revilla. Pass to Sawit. Sawit fires. Wala rebound nawa ngayon. Nakaptibak. Here comes De La Cruz. Masyado na sa pasa. Ramparillo. 15 seconds to shoot. To the Guzman face. The Guzman ulit ang ball. Here comes the tiba. Pagirigan. Pagirigan left. Hindi pumasok rebound by Ramparillo. Ramparillo pass inside. Reyes gak naman. Reyes once again. Hindi pumasok rebound by Bustos. Single. Last 2 minutes and 4 seconds para sa ating third quarter. Seconds to shoot. Bustos fires 2 points. Bustos. That's 1 minute and 35 seconds. Ramparillo. Ramparillo pass to Sabi. 10 seconds to shoot. Sawi fires. Dapat terima nama ngayon di La Cruz. Pass break to Pagirigan. Sobrevilla for 3. Wala rebound by Reyes. Intercepted by Matias. De La Cruz. Pass to Gadong. Pull up jumper. 2 points. Gadong. Team event. Back to the ball game. Guzman. 15 seconds to shoot. De Guzman drives it. Masuk di lari nawa ngayon di La Cruz. Pass to Tino. Here comes Tino, pass intercepted by Guzman. Uy, nakalisa sa dalawa. To Sobrevilla. Hindi masang tira rebound by Sobrevilla. Fires 2 points. Same ball. Last 21 seconds. Kaya mo bola. White or black? White. White ball. Sawit, using his body, Sawit fires up, goes in his head. Foul jersey number 166. 60. Penalty situation, 186 number. Hindi pumasok ang ng Mr. South. Cedro. Last 10 seconds. Majas mula pin di bawah sementara rival ngayon itu Guzman. Last 5 seconds. Guzman to Rabanio. Wait, and third quarter. Back to the ball game. Fourth and final quarter. Black ball. Nice score natin ay 56-59. 3-point lead para sa Team Brian. 3 points dyan galing kay Kuya Harvey. De La Cruz for 3. And De La Cruz 3 points. Matiliano. 15 seconds to shoot. Matiliano to Sobrevilla fakes. Sobrevilla pass to Sawit. Nice pass, 2 points. Sawit. Ganda naman doon. Tino. Uy, hindi naman Tino drives. Nakilala naman sa ball. Lopez outside their wing. Once again, he dimasuk di stand on the top. Bola jumper, 2 points. Gandong. Seconds to shoot. Guzman to Sobrevilla. Back to Guzman. 5 seconds to shoot. Guzman pass to Matiliano. One jumper short. Rebound na ako ngayon into Guzman. 11 seconds to shoot. Matiliano to Sobrevilla fakes. Sobrevilla one jumper. Dito ba sa tinariyo na ako ngayon dito? Gandong drives, 2 points. Score natin ay 66-15 in favor of Team Brian. Matiliano, pull-up jumper, 2 points. De La Cruz itu masuk dari rebound by Sawit pass to Sobrevilla to Matiliano pass to De Guzman. Pull-up jumper, 2 points. De Guzman. Here comes Tino. Tino, step back jumper. Masyado nakasiriwa na ngayon ni Guzman. Sobre Villa for 3. In and out rebound by Gadong. 15 seconds to shoot. Gadong put up jumper. 2 points. Gadong. Ayos yun na, Seth. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. So bringing up to Sawit. Sawit fires. No good rebound by. Oh, last touch. Substitution. Montiliano. Samaniego.
Sir, nakadami daw.
Tatel to Guzman. 5 seconds to shoot. Guzman guarding by to Tatel. Tatel for 3. Tatel 3.
Sakto ah.
Bumasa tatlo ang kalawangan. De La Cruz. Pass to Magrilia. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass inside to Saldero. To Magrilia. 10 seconds to shoot to Tino. Tino. Pass inside. Nakaganawa pa rin. Saldero. 5 seconds to shoot. Saldero to Tino. To Saldero. Pass to Guzman. Ito sa Sobre Villa. Sobre Villa to Guzman. Team Brian. Back to the ball game.
Dapat sana ako yung may mag-gas.
Hindi, ni-request ko ito. Ni-request ko.
Pangiringan Rex. Pangiringan fires. No good rebound by Sawi. Pass to Guzman. Here comes the team right. Sobre Villa. Sobre Villa to Guzman. Brings nothing. Nalitangan ng Bula. Here comes Pangiringan. Pangiringan Bula. No good rebound by Sawi. Sawi to Sobre Villa. Sobre pass to Guzman for the lead. 2 points. There Guzman. Boleh ke team right. Pass break to Guzman. Fires. Basket counted. Basket count. Foul jersey number 16. Ini kan just a ball shot. Kayo bilang, Wakili. Bos, matanggal pembingung natin. Hindi pumasok ang rebound na nakuha ngayon. Seconds to shoot. Okay. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Guzman. Guzman for 3. Hindi makakita na iwan na nakuha ngayon ni Sawi. 10 seconds to shoot. Because of 10. Pass inside. Natugana na ngayon. Pass break to Saldero. Saldero. There's who he's there. Jersey number 21. Guzman. First personal foul, second team foul. Traveling violation. Tate terus Sobre Villa, bang Sobre Villa,
Labang na.
10 seconds to shoot, Tino. Traveling violation. jersey number 21, pushing foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Second row. Masuk.
7-1, 7-2. 3 minutes, 30 seconds.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Ramarino, passing to the middle. Sabre Pinas, short rebound grabs by Bustos. Bustos number numero 8,000. Foul jersey number 1-7. Warning for penalty substitution. Substitution. Tell out, Sabi. Warning for penalty, Team Abel. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass inside, intercept. Nice 2 points. Bustos. James Payton, balikan alamangan sa Team Brian. Ramarino, 15 seconds to shoot. To Sabi. To Sabi Villa. To Sabi. Team dimasok di lari mga nawa ngayon. Sibol. Pangilingan, pas to the ganda, nagkakaroon na ngayon ni Sabi Villa. Sibol. Edit. Seconds to shoot. Pass to 5 seconds to shoot. Tino. 3 seconds violation. Skor natin ay 73-72. 120% pa lang punto sa ating Season 3 ng Trice Italia. Ay, ng Part-Up Colors pala, sorry. Ramarino. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercepted by Ramarino, pass to Guzman. To Sabre Pinas for 3. One off rebound by Sabi. Sabi fires for the rebound by Bustos. Nice Sabre Pinas for points. Sabre Pinas pull up jumper. Masyado na rebound na ngayon. Last 1 minute and
silat dun ah.
De La Cruz. Pass to Gandang for 3. And 3 point.
All.
50 seconds. Score na drive. Deadlock 7-6. Ang ganda naman ng first game ng Cornell Ballers. 10 seconds to shoot. It was Guzman for the lead. Number 3, baka by Gayman. Intercepted by Ramanillo. Ramanillo fires the boys. Ramanillo. Team Brian. Wala na pong time out ang Team Brian.
7-8, 7.
Wala na pong time out ha, Team Brian. Wala na pong sa time. De La Cruz. 10 seconds to shoot. De La Cruz pass to Dillon. Pass it down. Foul jersey number 16. Hit foul. For the win. Hindi masok kayo mga boys sa Pilipinas. Last 20 seconds. Ano ba ba? Overtime yata. So, Pilipinas, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. So, Pilipinas for the win. Hindi masok kayo mga boys sa Pilipinas. Pass to De Guzman. Wala ba rin? Last 2 seconds. Seconds to shoot. Ramanillo, 10 seconds to shoot. Pass inside to Sawit. Uy, naman pala nakawa ngayon ni Gadong. Gadong pass to Bustos. Bustos na wala. Bustos fires up. There's a lead there. He's folded. Foul jersey number 137. Morning for 5 fouls. Ramanillo. Morning. Wow. Gawin na naman tama. Hindi ko pumasok. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. So, ready number 3. Number 3, wala by Salva. Salva. Hey, technical. Technical foul, jersey number 6. Technical net. Double technical. Double technical, jersey number 6. Ano po? Hindi na po siya
Last touch niya.
Ay, hindi! Gago!
Ano po po?
Eh, nasa pamunuan yan. Pwede mo naman ipa-review.
Dito masok. Second. Sobrevilla. 10 seconds to shoot. Sobrevilla fires 3 points. Sobrevilla. Betul. Pass to Tino. White ball. Guzman. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Here comes the Guzman. Fires. Rebound by Machas. Oh, here's what he said. Foul jersey number 27. Ramadinov fouled out. Penalty situation. Change player, bro. Change player. First game, first foul out. Sally. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Sobrevilla. Sobrevilla. Pull-up jumper. Shoot. Dibawa ngayon ito. Ito, fast break. Tumpake. Rina. Dibawa ngayon Sobrevilla. Sobrevilla to the Guzman. Back to Sobrevilla. Pass to Reyes. Reyes. Pull-up jumper. Terima tampilan Bianco. De La Cruz. That's 2 minutes and 41 seconds to play. 15 seconds to shoot. De La Cruz to Pagariga. Pagariga pass inside to Tino. Tino pass. Guzman to Sobrevilla. Sobrevilla. Basket count there. Basket count. Foul jersey number. Bonus shot. Substitution. Warning for penalty, team pride. Pili pumasok. Score natin ay 79-82. 3-point lead para sa team. Okay.
Bye.
De La Cruz.
All na naman.
Mga nakakabit ako ng overtime. 15 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Joaquin. Dito masok. Joaquin once again. Oh, double dribble. Here comes Tino. Pass to the door. Seconds to shoot. Here comes Gadon. Gadon. Oh, offensive foul. Foul jersey number 4. Time out. Wala. Extending there, bro. Wala. Hindi ka pagpanapansin. Seconds to shoot. Here comes Guzman. Guzman na bola. Guzman block na bola ngayon. Bola up. Save home. 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Guzman back to Joaquin. Pass to Sobrevilla. 5 seconds to shoot. Guzman for 3. Rebound by Ito, last 1 minute and 15 seconds to play. 15 seconds to shoot. Last 5 seconds to shoot. Pangalingan bola. Pangalingan. Boys, Pangalingan. Change the ball. Last 55 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Lamang.
Sabivilla. Pass to Sabit. Sabit fires to strong rebound. Put back to Roy Sabivilla.
All na naman. 37 seconds.
Score na tonight. Deadlock in the board. Last 30 seconds. Grabe itong first game natin. Parang finals ha.
Patay.
Hindi mo matira rin
Ayun,
ang chance. Chance pass to Magalingan. Once again, De La Cruz. To the door. 5 seconds to shoot. Kakit na wala. Oy! There's a reason. 2 shots. Who's fallen? Foul, jersey number 16. K1 pushing foul. 2 shots. Third personal foul. Penalty situation.
Mag-shoot time out kami. Sa pangalawa, pag na-shoot time out.
Oy, sumablay una.
Una. For the win, for the win, for the win. Penalty na ba? Okay ba? Okay, Marcelino! Team of 10.
84. Ang lamang. $24.85. 12 seconds. Overtime na naman to. Ay, hindi na. Lamang na to.
Solid. 10 seconds to shoot.
to.
Solid guarding mo ito. Solid sa wala. Solid for the win. Napitawan mo na. Same ball. Last 5 seconds to shoot. Five seconds to shoot.
Ang time out.
Wala na pong timeout ang buong team. Wala na pong timeout. 5 seconds to play. Here comes